There are two kinds of vector products. One of them is called cross product, and the other one is called dot product. And so if the vectors that you are multiplying are vectors u and v, the cross product, the notation used for the cross product would be u cross v. For dot product, the notation is u dot v. This lesson will only about the dot product, and the dot product has two other names. One of its names is inner product. And later we will see that when we perform the dot product process or operation, the result is actually not a vector. So when you get the dot product of two vectors, the result is not a vector, but a scalar. So this is why the other name of inner product is scalar product. And we have a formula for this. Suppose that the two vectors you are getting the dot product of. Let's say if one is u, and the components of u are, let's say, u sub 1 and u sub 2, and the other vector is v, and the components of vector v are v sub 1 and v sub 2, then the dot product u dot v will be the product of the horizontal components, so u sub 1 times v sub 1 plus the product of the vertical components, so u sub 2 times v sub 2. So for example, if you have two vectors, a and b, where a is, say, 2, -5, and b is -3, 7, then the dot product a dot b would just be 2 times -3 plus -5 times +7. That would be -6 plus -35. That's -41. This is what I meant earlier when I said that when you get the dot product of two vectors, the result is not a vector but a scalar, or just a plain number.